We also have some videos of the facilities, so we'll show you some of those too. So this is the 31st floor at the Edge Tower, the Edge Condo. That's 2nd Street. This is the pool off to the left. Lounge area here. That's 2nd Street right there. If you follow that down another mile or so, you'll hit Terminal 21. Going down one level, there's another pool down here. I guess it would be 2 small levels. So here's the view up here. So this is the gym here at the Edge in Pattaya. Not bad. If you like cardio, which I don't, but if I did, pretty good view from the treadmills. Hard to beat. But this gym has whatever you need. It's not the greatest gym, but you can definitely get done what you need to get done. A little stack of free weights here, a couple benches, some barbells, a few different machines. Like I said, it's not amazing, but I can get done what I need to get done. But that's the gym here at the Edge in Pattaya Beach, Thailand.